Yes, no, maybe. I don't know. Can you repeat the question? You're not the boss of me now. You're not the boss of me now. You're not the boss of me now. And you're not so big. You're not the boss of me now. You're not the boss of me now. You're not the boss of me now. And you're not so big. Life is unfair.
What's up? It's Goggles. So we built a UFO drone with the little Rand's 4-inch little cheapy Amazon thing. So we went and flew this around, and it looked like some cool UFO type stuff. But yeah, we're gonna end up chopping these off and make it like normal strobe lights for like night operations. But yeah, let's go watch this dumb shit. Alright, let's go look at the onboard DVR footage. Thanks for dealing with my dumb shit. Yeah. Alrighty, thanks for making it this far. Shout out to all these pilots. Go check out their channels and stuff. I have it down in the description. Also, if you want, go to my merch store and maybe buy something that helps the channel out. If you want. But yeah, thanks for watching my dumb goofy channel. Y'all have a good one.
I'll even show you some tricks.